Are you looking for the best wood cooking utensils in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wood cooking utensils that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. OXO Good Grips Wooden Turner Set. The OXO Wood Cooking Utensils set is expertly made from high-quality one-piece beechwood. It is extremely solid yet lightweight for an utterly comfortable cooking experience. Each of the 3 wooden turner is super durable and efficient, and they will surely last long. They are designed with large handles that are very easy to hold, and of course heat-resistant. With this product, you can serve healthy meals for your whole family. Number 4. Ecosal Healthy Cooking Utensils. The Ecosal Wood Cooking Utensils set offers a super easy grip with long durable handles. All the pieces stay cool even after long hours of cooking, so you never have to worry about scorching. The comfortable handles allow you to cook with ease without tiring your hands too much. Plus, the solid wood construction ensures that you spend years of cooking with this set of remarkable wooden utensils. Number 3. Bamboo Wooden Spoons Kitchen Utensils Set. The Bamboo Wood Cooking Utensils Set is a great product that has a sleek finish without the risk of splinters. It has gorgeous craftsmanship that you can be proud of in your kitchen. The durable set includes a spaghetti server, non-slotted spoon, slotted spoon, and a turner spatula. It is a very safe wooden utensils set that provide excellent cooking performance. And this product is perfect for all types of cookware, especially the non-stick ones. Number 2. Mondeo Wooden Cooking Utensils. The Mondeo Wood Cooking Utensils set is an environmentally friendly product that is super easy to clean. It is extremely sturdy and long-lasting, plus each item has holes for easy storage. This product is super safe to use in cooking healthy foods, thanks to the non-toxic construction. And they sure look good for any kitchen. Number 1. Ranaway 6 Pieces Wooden Kitchen Utensils Set. The Ranaway Wood Cooking Utensils Set is a premium quality product that is designed to provide excellent cooking performance for so many years. It is incredibly strong and each item has its own size for your utter convenience. This wooden utensil set is backed with a 100% satisfaction warranty, coupled with a 100% money-back guarantee. You can easily contact customer service support in a rare chance that you are unhappy with this product.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.